Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to restore tools in Affinity Designer. If you've accidentally hidden some tools or your workspace feels incomplete, this quick fix will help you bring everything back to normal. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to have a file ready to work with. You can either open your existing file or create a new one to proceed. Now, let's focus on restoring your tools through the main menu. In the upper left toolbar, click on View. This will open a drop-down menu with various display options. From there, select Context Toolbar and then click Show. This action will make sure your context toolbar is visible, giving you access to tools that change based on what you're working on. Alternatively, there's another way to access your tools if you prefer using the sidebar. Look at the bottom left of your screen and you'll see an icon with 3 dotted lines. Click on it to open a menu panel. This gives you direct access to your workspace settings without having to navigate through the top menu bar. Once you've clicked those 3 dotted lines, navigate to Tools. Here you'll see all the available tools that Affinity Designer offers. This is your complete toolkit, and it's where you can verify whether everything is properly displayed or if something's been hidden. If you want more control over your workspace layout, you can also click on Toolbar within this same menu. This section lets you customize which tools appear and where they're positioned. It's particularly useful if you've rearranged things and want to find specific tools quickly. And here's the most important part. If you want to completely reset your toolbar to its default state, simply click Reset Toolbar. This will undo any customizations you've made and restore everything to how it appeared when you first installed Affinity Designer. It's the quickest way to fix any tool visibility issues. So there you have it. Whether you're making tools visible again or doing a complete reset, these steps will get your Affinity Designer workspace back to working order. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.